Order of variables. Hi! In this video, I'm going to explain about the order of the variables in the function definition. The order of the variables is important to remember to get the correct output. To understand it easily, let us take the same example of old pen and new pen. So let us go to Python and take the same code. So the value 1 goes to the variable old underscore pen and 2 goes to the variable new underscore pen. Why? Because the first value goes to the first variable and the second value goes to the second variable. In this example, let us add 2 lines of code inside our function to print our old underscore pen and new underscore pen so we can understand it better. And for now, let us remove the formula and print statement for total. So let us write print open bracket old underscore pen close bracket. Press enter. Write print open bracket new underscore pen close bracket. Now let us save the file and run the code. See, as I told you, Python printed the value of old underscore pen as 1 and the value of new underscore pen as 2. Now, I'm going to do something. I'm going to change the order of the values and check what will happen. So, in the function call, let us put the value 2 first and then put the value 1 next. So, let us write in the function call 2, 1 inside the brackets. So what happens now? The first value 2 is stored in the first variable old underscore pen and the second value 1 is stored in the second variable new underscore pen. So if we change the order of the values in the function call, the output printed also would change. Shall we check it? Okay, let us save the file and run the code. The output printed is 2 and 1. Did you see that the value 2 is printed first and the value 1 is printed next? So the order of variables and values is very important when writing our functions. I hope you understand that the order of the variables and values is important to get the correct output too. See you all in another interesting video. Bye bye.